Imagine a spacecraft millions of miles from Earth spotting a never-before-seen asteroid and changing course to investigate it all by itself, without any human telling it what to do. That's not science fiction anymore. That's happening right now in 2026, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the most incredible story in tech right now: how artificial intelligence is completely transforming space exploration. We're not just talking about robots on Mars anymore. We're talking about AI that can think for itself in deep space, satellites that dodge debris without human help, and a new generation of spacecraft that are smarter than anything we've ever launched. If you're excited about the future of space, hit that subscribe button now. We explore this kind of stuff every single day. Let's get into it. Here's the biggest space story of 2026, and most people have no idea it happened. NASA just tested a new computer chip called the High Performance Spaceflight Computing Processor, or HPSC. And it's a complete game changer. This chip delivers up to 100 times more computing power than anything currently flying in space. 100 times. Why does that matter? Because right now, every spacecraft, from the Mars rovers to the James Webb Telescope, relies on instructions sent from Earth. That takes minutes or even hours for a signal to travel. But with HPSC, spacecraft can run complex AI models on board. They can analyze scientific data in real time, navigate autonomously, and make decisions without waiting for mission control. NASA is calling it giving spacecraft a brain. And early tests in May 2026 were a massive success. So what does an AI-powered spacecraft actually do differently? Let me paint you a picture. Imagine the Mars rover Curiosity finds a rock formation that looks interesting. Right now, it takes a photo, sends it to Earth, scientists study it for days, then send a command back saying go check that out. With onboard AI, the rover can recognize the interesting rock instantly, navigate over to it, run its instruments, and send back the results all in minutes instead of weeks. That's the difference AI makes. And it's not just rovers. The European Space Agency is testing something called visual-based navigation, where spacecraft use AI cameras to recognize craters and landmarks on asteroids and moons, then plot their own landing trajectories. We're teaching spacecraft to see, think, and act on their own. Here's something terrifying: there are over 140 million pieces of space debris orbiting Earth right now. Everything from dead satellites to flecks of paint traveling at 17,000 miles per hour. One collision could destroy $1 billion satellite and create thousands more debris fragments. The old way? Humans on the ground track every piece and manually command evasive maneuvers. It's slow, and sometimes we miss things. But in 2026, AI-powered satellites are changing the game. These satellites use onboard machine learning to detect debris in real time, predict collision trajectories, and autonomously fire thrusters to get out of the way, all without waiting for a human to say go. MIT researchers have even developed a model called MOCAT that can predict orbital traffic patterns years in advance. AI is turning space traffic management from reactive to proactive. 2026 is shaping up to be a landmark year for lunar and Martian exploration. Multiple robotic landers are heading to the moon's surface right now, delivering science payloads and testing technology for future human bases. AI is the brain behind these missions. Robotic landers use AI-powered terrain recognition to pick safe landing spots in real time, essential when you're landing on the moon's south pole where lighting conditions are extreme. And on Mars, the Perseverance rover is already using AI to select its own driving routes, avoiding rocks and sand traps without Earth's help. China's Zhurong rover is doing the same. We're building a future where robots and AI work together to pave the way for human explorers. If you want to see humanity become a multiplanetary species, AI is absolutely essential. Finally, let's talk about how AI is supercharging our view of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has already transformed astronomy, but AI is making it even more powerful. Machine learning models now sift through Webb's massive datasets to find things human astronomers would miss: new exoplanets, distant galaxies, and unusual celestial phenomena. In fact, an AI system just discovered a new class of exoplanet in 2026 that traditional analysis completely overlooked. And it's not just Webb. The upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, launching next year, will generate 200 times more data than Hubble did in its entire lifetime. Without AI, no team of human astronomers could possibly analyze it all. AI is becoming our cosmic co-pilot, helping us explore the universe at scale. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing ways AI is transforming space exploration in 2026. From NASA's new space chip that gives spacecraft a brain, to satellites that dodge debris on their own, to AI systems discovering new planets we never knew existed. This is the most exciting time in space exploration since the Apollo program, and AI is driving every bit of it. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay on top of the AI revolution, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got a lot more incredible content coming your way. And here's the thing, the universe is vast, but with AI by our side, it's finally starting to feel a little smaller. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.